Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I turn this roof spoiler from this to this. So stay tuned, sit back and relax, and let's get this video started. So right now I'm about to sand this down because the edges, like as you guys can see, it's kind of rough and you see all the imperfections. So it took me about an hour to sand down this whole thing, and I'm just waiting for the paint to come now. Yo, what's up, guys? So these just came in today. I actually been waiting for these for about 28 days now, and finally I get to paint this roof spoiler. So this is already been wiped down with alcohol, so it's ready for primer. This backside right here is already wrapped up too. So yeah, let's go. Actually, I'm gonna try to bring this down a little bit because it's a little bit too high.
Right now it's all dried up, and I'm gonna sand it down later. Get some time and get quick.
Now it's all dried up, and we wipe it down with alcohol. Right, so ready, and here's the paint that I got. That's a titanium metallic. Alright, that's for the first coat, and I'll wait for this to dry. Woo, looking good. Alright, so see you guys back in 15 minutes. Alright, ready for the second coat. Alright, that's the end of the second coat, and wait another 15 minutes and do the third coat. Alright, ready for third coat. So far so good, like no bugs is getting on it, so hopefully it stays that way. Alright, so I'm gonna just let this dry for 30 minutes and then do the clear coat. So I guess I'm just gonna do 3 coats. I think, ooh, it looks good. I mean, it's not perfect, but so it's been 30 minutes now. I'm gonna just show you guys after I'm done doing the clear coat, and yep. Alright guys, so I just finished the first coat of clear and it's looking good. No runs, no nothing, but there's a little imperfections and stuff, like I didn't sand it really good, but I'm fine with it. It's okay. So all in all, it still looks good, like down right there, but I'm not really worried. Yo, so It's been drying for about 30 minutes now, and it looks good. Man, I'm so stoked. Earlier when I hit it with the second clear coat, it had like orange peel, but for some reason it went away. Alright guys, so it's the next day, and now the moment of truth. Let's see if it matches the color. Hell yeah, look at that. Now we're talking. Go. So it came out really good. Whew. Hell yeah. So I guess that's it for this video, and hopefully you guys like that, and see you guys in the next. Yep.